Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel o Alejandre, po ang aking daily devotion ngayong August 19. And for today, ating pag-uusapan ang random mutation. Now, what do we exactly mean by random mutation? Well, this is derived from a theory na yung mga tao daw po ay nanggaling sa strand of species na randomly nag-evolve through time and eventually naging tao. And aside from that, yung random mutation din po ay nagsasabi na dahil sa isang malaking pagsabog, nagkaroon po ng mundo and life was created, no? So, it sounds very superficial. It sounds very somewhat unreasonable because we Christians believe and science that believes in Christianity believes that there is a creator. Kasi nga, kung ating oobserbahan yung mundo, yung kalangitan, yung mga bituin, yung composition ng katawan natin, everything is, perfect eh. It has a system, kumbaga. Meron tayong day and night cycle. Yung buwan natin, it helps maintain gravity na kung saan nagkakaroon ng necessary harmony para yung tubig sa earth ay hindi magkaroon ng kumbaga unstableness. Kumbaga napakaraming perfect systems sa earth na kung ating iisipin, kailangan talagang may nagplano nito. Kasi it's way too perfect eh. Sabi nga sa Psalm chapter 139 verses 13 to 16, "For you created my inmost being, you knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be." So, we are not an accident, no? Hindi po tayo nabuhay dahil lang sa isang malaking pagsabog. At mas lalong hindi po tayo ipinanganak just because. Because we exist because God chose us to exist. And we are all separately wonderfully made by God. Kumbaga, hindi naman tayo like randomly pinanganak, no? Hindi naman tayo tumaya ng loto tapos nanalo tayo. Hindi ganun. No. It's all in God's plan. Because we are designed for God's glory. So, pinanganak ka dahil meron kang purpose. At yung purpose na yun, binigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. Para ma-fulfill yung purpose na yun, binihiyaan ka niya ng lakas, ng talento, at ng talino. So, embrace your unique traits and personality. Dahil yon ay inintend ng Panginoon para sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito aksidente. Kumbaga, as long as makinig ka sa turo niya, yung plano niya, ay susundin mo, you will prosper. So, value yourself just as God values you. Now, how does God value you? He values you so because you have been created in His image and you have been saved and redeemed through Christ's blood. So, talagang mahalaga ka sa Panginoon. Therefore, treat yourself as someone that is valuable and fulfill your divine purpose on God's masterpiece. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.